Hello everyone. Today we will take optical instrument which is very important for class 12th. In this optical instrument today we are taking astronomical telescope. First we will try to understand ray formation by astronomical telescope. Here in astronomical telescope we will use two lenses which are convex lens. One is known as objective and another is known as your eyepiece. Okay, then these two lens objective, this convex lens is focal length is more if you compare to eyepiece. Now how that ray formation will start? Suppose your object is this. Now keep in your mind when you will make a diagram for astronomical telescope. So here you don't know exact position, exact size of this object. So here you will break this line. It means this is showing that we don't know exact size of our object and we don't know actual distance. The distance is very far away. So distance very far away, we will break here line also. We will break here line here. Compound microscope, you can draw continuation line, but here you will use dotted line, only this part and this part. And you know those rays are coming parallel to the principal axis. They will passes through and they will go here. And which one is passing through your optical center? So they are meeting here. So here image is forming A dash B dash of this AB. Please keep in your mind here objective lens I am showing by only a vertical line. Okay, this image, it will act as a virtual object for this eyepiece. Keep in your mind this is the virtual object for this. Okay, so now what will happen? Now object is in inverted for this. Our virtual object is inverted and which is kept in the range of focal length of eyepiece. Fe means focal length is. So this, when you know when object is kept between focus and this optical center, the same side image will form and magnified image will form. So how that form? One is passing through, this is optical center of eyepiece, I am representing by E, and which ray is parallel to the principal axis passing through in this way. When we will meet back side, so here we are getting finally image A double dash B double dash of this object. So here you will draw a line, so then you will make a diagram very fast. Then after this finishing touch you can give here optical in this way, okay, and in this way. दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. हियर सिमिलर, यहाँ पे भी आप जो है convex lens you will make in this way. Okay, so this convex lens is representing, this is your representing objective, this is eyepiece and this is final image. Now you know alpha which is making actual जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है उसके साथ बना हुआ एंगल, दिस इज अल्फा. We will take to for calculation vertical opposite angle, this is alpha, so this will be also alpha. And now beta angle will form only for the final image. Final image से जो हमारा एंगल बन रहा है वो बीटा है, जो हमको इसके लिए ज़रूरत होगी डेरिवेशन के लिए. So this is the your reflecting type or astronomical telescope diagram. So please learn this diagram very well. Always it is asking either compound microscope or astronomical telescope in your question paper. So please learn this very well diagram. I hope so. Now this diagram is easy for you. You can make only in 2 or 3 minutes. Do practice and you can do this. Now how will you do derivation? Just try to understand. First we will take magnifying power. For magnifying power, beta upon alpha we will take. So beta upon alpha means that is the angle final image subtended at the eye, beta, and this is by object at the eye in actual position alpha. So now when you will take m is equal to beta upon alpha, these are very small, so learn this. In place of beta and alpha you will take 10 beta and 10 alpha. 10 beta is what? Just see in the diagram. Beta is this. 10 beta is, you can say this upon this, okay, or this upon this. Beta is forming here. Clear? So tan beta is in this way, and tan alpha के लिए for what will you take? Tan alpha you will take this one, because it is not possible here you can calculate tan alpha. So for tan alpha, again this side and this side. So here we will take tan beta is your a dash b dash upon e a dash. Why we are taking this a dash b dash? Because this a dash b dash is common for beta and alpha. So it is better you will take this triangle and this triangle also. So alpha will come here, a dash b dash also, o a dash. When you will divide both according to this, m is equal to beta upon alpha, so it will come in this way, m is equal to o a dash upon e a dash. O a dash is what? Your o a dash, this is the focal length of your this objective lens, and e a dash, just try to understand, e a dash. So this is your ue, but u is minus sign because it is kept left side. So magnifying power m will come minus fo upon ue. Students, here two possibility can come. One, what two possibility? Ki where image is forming at d, let's distinct vision, or final image is forming at infinity. Okay, when final image is at least distance of distinct vision, that is the this part. So we, how will we take derivation? Just try to understand. We will use this formula, lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Students, we will use for eyepiece. So for eyepiece, see in the diagram, u is this, okay, ve is this, that is we are saying d, and both are left side. So both will come minus sign, and you know focal length of convex lens is always positive. So v is equal to minus d, u is equal to minus ue, f is equal to plus fe. You will substitute these value in this, and you will get value of 1 upon ue. It will come 1 upon fe plus 1 upon d. Okay, or this 1 upon, jab you got this 1 upon fe plus 1 upon d. So what will you do here? M is equal to your minus fo upon ue. So here we will substitute value, so fo upon 1 upon ue. So 1 upon fe plus 1 upon d, this we will write. So 1 upon fe, if you will take common, so here 1 plus fe upon d. So this is the final formula when the image is forming at least distance d of distinct vision. Keep in your mind, this is very important, generally asked. And when image is forming at your infinity, so what will change here? At infinity तो हमें v तो हमारा infinity हो गया, but u e माइनस साइन के साथ हो गया, तो इस सिचुएशन में f e u e के इक्वल होगा, और जो हमारा ये फार्मूला निकल के आया था m इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ अपॉन यू ई, so in place of ue you can write m is equal to minus fo upon fe. So this is the formula for this when image is forming at infinity. So this is about your astronomical telescope. I hope so you understood. So thank you for watching my video and learn this diagram very well. Astronomical telescope or compound microscope, these questions definitely will come in your ISC exam. Thank you everyone.